The day's trip starts at the 210 highway and continues up Mountain Avenue through the San Gabriel Mountains to Mount Baldy Village and Icehouse trailhead. Mountain Avenue is a prominent road located in Upland, California. It stretches from the foothills of the San Gabriel Mountains to the northern edge of the city. The avenue is known for its picturesque scenery, diverse residential neighborhoods, and historical significance. Mountain Avenue's history can be traced back to the late 19th century, when Upland was established as a rural community. The road played a vital role in connecting the surrounding farmlands and ranches to the nearby towns and cities. Over time, as Upland grew and urbanized, Mountain Avenue became an important thoroughfare for commuting and transportation. Today, Mountain Avenue is characterized by a mix of residential, commercial, and institutional developments. There are some really nice houses along Mountain Avenue.
This feeling I can leave. I'm working and
Mountain Avenue transitions into a more rural setting as it approaches the San Gabriel Mountains. The road winds its way through scenic landscapes, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding hills and valleys.
See the sun goes down, driving lights in hearts, counting trees around. This is our daily dream. My heart, it's cursed with you. My heart is cursed with you. Just get
This section of the avenue is also home to several parks and recreational areas, providing opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking, biking, and picnicking. As we enter Angels National Forest into the San Gabriel Mountains, you will see a change in landscape as we get farther in towards Mount Baldy Village. The San Gabriel Mountains are a prominent mountain range located in Southern California, extending from the eastern portion of Los Angeles County to the western edge of San Bernardino County. Wildlife species found in the area include mule deer, black bears, mountain lions, bobcats, and a variety of bird species. Mount Baldy Village is a small unincorporated community nestled in the heart of the San Gabriel Mountains. The village is named after Mount Baldy, the highest peak in the San Gabriel Mountains, and one of the highest in Southern California. Originally inhabited by the Tongva Native American tribe, Mount Baldy Village was later settled in the late 19th century. During the California Gold Rush, the area attracted prospectors and adventurers seeking their fortune in the nearby mountains.
My everything, you felt something new. You were scared to tell me how you love me and show me the devil in you. I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting for you for so long. I've been waiting for you. Playing alone, watching TV. No, just tell me what you fucking like. Big dreams, big projects, and amazing ambitions. You have it, you do nothing. I swear I thought I couldn't make it. Oh my god, I was crazy, you can imagine. Was afraid to give you my everything. You felt something new. You were scared to tell me how you love me and show me the devil in you. I've been waiting for you. Didn't tell me that you felt alone. I tried to help but nobody was here, and it seemed like you didn't care. You wanted more but you were with you. Only you, only you, only you. But you can't do it on your own.
Now we end our journey at the Icehouse Canyon Trail in the Cucamonga Wilderness. You can see more about the Icehouse Trail in one of our other videos. We hope you enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.